Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quit an application and then reopen it on your Xbox One. So let's say Halo Infinite isn't working and we want to go ahead and restart it. I'm going to go ahead and press the Xbox button, open up this screen, and then I can go to the home screen and select this. Now I can see my currently open game right here, Halo Infinite. I can press the button with the 3 lines on it, and then I can see more options. Now I can go on down to where it says quit. I can select this and the application is now closed. Now I can go to Halo Infinite, I can press A on it and I can reopen it and launch it. Now I can also find Halo Infinite under this menu. So I can see it right here. I can press the button with the 3 lines on it and then go to quit as well. So there's 2 different ways that you can do that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.